including this video that you're watching right now, I would have completed day 65 of the 75 hard challenge YouTube edition that I started back on the 1st of December 2024. Now, I found out about this challenge by accident, and I did not start creating videos on a daily basis because of the challenge, right? I just decided to join the challenge as I came across it, since I was posting videos on a daily basis anyway. So I was like, you know what? I've got absolutely no reason whatsoever to not participate in this challenge. Now, before we continue, what I'd like to tell you about, which is one of the things that I talk quite a bit about on this channel, is promoting digital products, right? The marriage of YouTube and digital products is like a match made in heaven. So if you are not monetizing your channel, right? If you're not monetizing your channel with selling digital products, then you definitely need to check this out, because it's something that you can do to make money with your YouTube channel before you get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. So definitely check it out. First link in the description below this video will give you access to some training that will show you how to create your own digital products and sell them, or even better, for a beginner, sell other people's digital products as an affiliate, which means you don't have to go through the hassle of creating your own and dealing with customer service and all that type of stuff. All you need to do is just learn how to promote digitally, right? Learn how to drive traffic to products and let the product do all the selling, and you just collect commissions, right? So it's definitely something you can learn. Anyone can learn, anybody interested. Take the knowledge that you already have and package it into a product and learn how to sell it. All right, so check out that first link in the description below this video if that is something that is of interest to you. Okay, now, as far as the 75 hard challenge goes, it is something that I actually had never even heard about, let alone the 75 hard YouTube edition. This was, the YouTube edition was something that I first came across by a creator called Frankie. I will have a link to her channel in the description below my video. Actually, I actually first came to learn of it from another creator, another YouTuber that decided to accept the challenge because he had seen it on Frankie's channel. So I saw his channel, which then linked me to Frankie's channel. So that was basically the chain reaction there. Just like I'm going to link his YouTube channel and her YouTube channel in my description below, he linked hers, right, giving her credit for it. I don't know where she where she first saw the 75 hard YouTube edition challenge, or if she is the originator of it, if she's the one who created it. If anybody knows about this and they've seen this before, please let me know in the comment section. I'd love to know. But as far as my upline goes, so to speak, right, that is as far back as I'm able to trace the origins of the 75 hard YouTube edition. Okay, so I don't know if she's the one who invented, who came up with it, right? Piggybacking off of the original 75 hard challenge, which involves all kinds of stuff. Like, I think there's like 5 main things. I don't remember off the top of my head, but I believe it was like at least 2 45-minute workouts a day, 2 minutes apart. One's got to be 3 hours apart, whereby one's got to be outside. At least one of them has to be outside, right? And then there was reading at least 10 pages of a nonfiction, right? Like a self-development type book, or basically a nonfiction, something educational, whatever, personal development type stuff. At least 10 pages of that. You got to be on a strict diet. I think that was that was one of the 5 things. Strict diet. What else? At least a gallon of water a day. And oof, I'm missing just one. I'm just missing one. I don't remember what the last one off the top of my head is, but shoot. Anyway, it is going to be one of those that apparently at the end of the 75 days you should be transformed into a completely different person. So same applies in a sense to doing this stuff here on YouTube. And with the YouTube edition, there's really not much to it. We don't have all those additional things as the, the traditional normal 75 hard challenge. This is the YouTube edition is just about posting every single day. Oh, and one of the big things that I do remember for both ways is if you miss a day, you got to start all over. So I am at least happy to say that I've only got 10 days left to go, and hopefully I see them through. But here's the thing though, before I started, it was never meant to, like when I came across this 75 hard YouTube edition challenge, I had already on my own been posting videos on a daily basis, right? I decided to start December 1st, which is why today, this video you're watching, once I post it today, is going to be my 65th, right? And then I'll just have 10 more days to go, and then I would like have officially completed the 75 hard challenge YouTube edition, right? But when I started posting on a daily basis on, December 1st, it was never my intent to just hit 75 days and be done with it, right? It was actually my goal to just keep, to develop a good habit of just posting on a regular basis. All, of course, in the aims of, with the aim of growing the channel, to hopefully eventually monetize it at some point through the YouTube partner program specifically, right? Given that that's something that I've never done, so it's like a challenge I wanted to take upon myself and just ask myself whether I could do that, right? I've had YouTube channels before, but the idea of getting monetized with AdSense and all that has never ever been something that crossed my, of course it crossed my mind, but it's never been something that I even thought was, should I say possible for me to achieve? It was just so far-fetched, so far, like such a far reach, and then it begs the question, right? You're probably wondering, so what on earth was I doing with my YouTube channels? Well, I was using them to promote stuff, right? As an affiliate, which is what I do, right? Like as an affiliate marketer, or primarily promoting digital products, right? So that's what it was for me. So those channels that I had, they were all very, very specific, without any intent of looking to grow a channel. It was just mainly to drive traffic. It was just basically a tool for me to drive traffic to products, okay? So that's something that I hope is eye-opening for you, and it's something that you can use to also help you make some, some money. So it just hit me. I was like, you know what, even though I do, use these channels to drive traffic, to promote products and stuff, why not try to go for that additional stream of income, right? And see if we can do it. And that is what led me to want to start posting on a daily basis to see how far I can take it, what happens. Having said that, let me just give you some back history, of my channel and how things have been going thus far, and what prompted me to start posting on a daily basis, because I wasn't seeing the traction that I was hoping that I would see based on other people, right? How other people's channels have been doing. So right now we're looking at my analytics. This is for the month of February, right? So if we go all the way back, let's see, August, when I first started posting on this channel, I created, I believe, 1st of May 2023. And then started posting on it on the 16th of July 2024. Okay, I think I might have had a video on the 1st of July that I took down and redid on the 16th of July. Okay, so my first month, look, I only posted 4 videos, right? Because I was kind of trying to do the whole once a week type thing, and just because I'd seen other people who were having great results with just that starting out, but not me. Like my videos were not. They just weren't enough for that, right? So 33 views, 1.4 hours watch time, one subscriber my first month, right? This is after 4 videos, right? And so I'm looking at that, I was like, okay, well, it's early, it's tough in the beginning, it's a struggle. Then the next month in August, right, this is where things started to pick up, because I decided, you know what, let me start posting on a daily basis. So I decided to try to go for like 30 days straight. I had a few hiccups here and there, but you can see that for the most part, I was posting just about every day, right? I had like a day that I might have missed, and then I tried to make up for it with 2 videos that day. And then these big jumps that you see here were as a result of me posting, interjecting shorts in there, right? But ever since I've stopped posting shorts on this channel, I think I only have like maybe shorts, 20 shorts videos at the moment. And the rest of all my videos are all long form, okay? Because I'm looking to capitalize on those those watch hours. You need 4,000 watch hours as one of the requirements to, join the YouTube partner program, with the other requirement being, of course, 1,000 subscribers. Or you can go for 90. It's basically 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the previous 12 months, or 90 million shorts views in the previous, 10 million shorts views in the previous 90 days. Okay. But I'm not dealing with shorts. I'm more interested in trying to get that requirement through the watch hours. Okay. So that's how things were going here in August. So you could see I started getting a little traction, 16 plus subscribers. And then in September, I believe, in September, I really slacked off, and I was wondering, when I look back, I didn't realize that I posted only 2 videos, as you can see, in the entire September, which was, I don't know why that was, or maybe I was trying to see if I would gain some traction from all those videos I was posting quite frequently in August on an almost daily basis, but that didn't pan out. So move over to what is this, October, right? I started ramping up, posting again. It was like kind of sporadic, on here and there, on and off. You can see at the very bottom, like how often I'm posting, right? Like, 3 days in a row, then skip a day of posts. So inconsistencies, right? And then these spikes again, I believe they probably came from like when I posted like some shorts, right? That was when I was still in the middle of posting some shorts. This was probably my best month yet. 54 plus subscribers, 2,000 views. And then November came through, and November was, I saw a drop, right? Because I went back to like maybe posting once a week. It looks like November 1st, and then got a video here on the 7th, I believe it was. Let's see if I can scroll down. Yeah, on the 7th. And then I went again. So just once a week. And then towards the tail end of it, I started trying to post again. But you can see really inconsistent. So I was like, you know what? Let's make this more consistent. And then this would be when, for me, technically, my 75 hard challenge YouTube edition basically started. Okay. And it was from December 1st. And this is where you can see like a major bump, right? And there's a part of me that wonders, is it because I was posting this frequently and consistently, or it's because of maybe 1 or 2 videos that really took off, right? So you can see here, I started off December, I had 1 video, and then the next day on December 2nd, I posted 4 videos. That's that day, and then 3 videos, and then 4 videos. So you can see this big spike here, and then just kind of drops down, tailors off. And then 2 videos a day, 2 videos. And then after that, as of, what was this? Like, let me see. What day was that? That looks like, yeah, so December 13th, I was pretty much posting 1 video a day, 1 video a day. And then some little spike here. Not a short that time around. And for the most part, I was just consistently posting 1 video a day, for at least 1 video a day. So since December 1st, I've been posting 1 video a day. And then move over into January, where I kind of went crazy with things, thinking that might really move the needle. But to my surprise, that actually made things a little worse. So 5.0 and you'll see what I mean in just a minute, because in January, I went crazy with the posting. Okay. And perhaps that's possibly because the quality might have dropped. I don't know, because of the frequency, but you can see here. Now look at the bottom. January 1st, all the way up until the 10th, okay, or 9th, and then as of the 10th, right. So I had 1 video a day up until the 9th in January, and then on January 10th, I posted 3 videos a day, 3 videos on the 10th, 3 videos on the 11th, and then 1 video on the 12th, and then 2 videos a day, 2 videos a day, 2 videos a day, all the way up until the 20th, where now I started posting 3 videos a day consistently. So for 10 days straight, basically from the 20th, or maybe 11 days straight, from the 20th all the way to the 31st, I was posting 3 videos a day in January. But that did not necessarily result in a major bump. Like, as a matter of fact, compared to December, where I wasn't posting as much, I got almost half the results, right? Because you see, the month before I had 5,000 views, And then in January I had 2,500, right? Same with the watch hours. I had about 195 in December, and then 101.5 in January. The subscriber though, yep, subscribe again. I want to say I mean, considering that I had 128 subscribers in December, I want to say it's really the result of 1 or 2 videos that did extremely well. Versus my 42 subscribers in January. And so that's where we are, and things have dropped. So I decided that, you know what, maybe let me slow things down a little bit for February and see how that pans out. I'm just wondering if all these crazy videos that I was posting throughout January over time are going to season up, right, and then start revealing themselves in the month of February, and hopefully February. Because let's just say, for example, in February I have like a really good month, right? Because I won't necessarily, I just wonder if it's because maybe because it's better to not post too much, right? And only bring it back down to once a day, or if it's because it's the result of all the multiple videos that I was posting in January that are now seasoning and basically matured to the point where they're starting to pop off, you know? So I don't know what's going to be the case, but we'll see. We'll see how things turn out by the end of February, because I've decided to tone it back to just 1 video a day now. And maybe I might have the occasional 2 videos or 3 videos in the same day, especially like maybe something happens that I feel the need to actually post. And then we'll revisit. We'll see how that goes by the end of the month. And then in March, we'll revisit and see if maybe it might be an idea to start ramping things back up with 2 videos a day minimum, or 3 videos a day, and see how that goes. Okay, so we'll see. This is where I am right now. I will say, with, you know, posting on a regular basis, over time it starts becoming the more time that goes by and I keep doing it, you know, the more it starts becoming part of my fabric, part of my DNA, and I just, you know, get into that habit of I gotta post. I post every single day, with the hopes that maybe it's gonna pay, you know, it'll hopefully pay off at some point. We'll see. But you're probably wondering, you're probably asking yourself the question, like, how long am I going to keep this up? Like, how long do I intend to go on you know, posting back to back to back to back? Well, we shall see, right? I'm on a 65-day streak now, and you know, the goal is to, you know, I didn't really set out to have a goal, you know. I didn't really set out to be like, oh, I must do this for like a year straight, or, you know, without fail, right? But the goal is to just keep going. Let's just see how long I can keep it going, right? Let's just see how long I can keep it going. 65 days. Let's first knock out the 75-day hard challenge YouTube edition, and then we'll take it from there and see how things go beyond that. All right. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. I will be sure to answer. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you're notified every single time I release a new video. And lastly, if you want to start making some decent money on your YouTube channel before you actually get monetized through the YouTube Partner Program, look into start selling some digital products, all right? And if you want to learn how to do all that, check out the first link in the description below this video. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch, and I'll catch you in my next video. Ciao.